Hi, we have already made a tutorial on how to remove the Google account protection using the calculator method. In case it does not work anymore, try this new method, and we hope that it will help you to resolve your problem. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, the phone is locked. First, start by enabling Talkback by holding both volume up and down buttons. It will ask you if you would like to enable shortcut, choose use shortcut, and again holding volume buttons, and this will enable Talkback. Now with your finger draw L, a new menu will appear. Select Talkback settings. Now let's deactivate Talkback by holding both volume buttons down. Now scroll down to help and feedback. Then choose the first link. Then play the YouTube video. Then click on share button and then the three dots. Now close this video and click on the account button. Then settings. Then about. Then YouTube terms of service. And choose open with Chrome. Now look for Rod Jenkins' website and click on FRP section. From there, scroll down and download Google Account Manager 8. Chrome will ask you for permission to download it. Just click Allow. Now open the file that you just downloaded, and now it will ask you for permission to install it. Click on Settings and then enable installing from this source. After that, download the Frp Bypass file and install it, and then click on Open. Click on the three dots on the top, then Browser Sign In. Now you have to connect with any Google account. Now go all the way back to the Wi-Fi screen. And click Next. And voila! Your account is added, and now you can use your phone normally. If it takes too much time to activate the phone, just reboot it and continue the setup wizard normally. And that's it. Your phone is successfully unlocked. And just to verify, we'll enter to settings. And as you can see, it's a Note 8. Using Android version 8.0, and here the security patch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media.